Seventh maths topic indices. Today we are going to solve practice set 27. Multiplication of indices with the same base. If a is any rational number and m and n are any two positive integers, then a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Example, minus 2 raised to 3 multiplied by minus 2 raised to 4 is equal to question mark. Now here bases are same. Here the base is same, that is minus 2. Indices are different. Here the index is 3 and here index is 4. Now we will solve this. Minus 2 how many times? 3 times. Now minus 2 4 times. Now count total are minus 2 raised to 7. Or we can say minus 2 raised to 3 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 raised to 7. That is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. That is minus 2 raised to 3 multiplied by minus 2 raised to 4 is equal to minus 2 raised to 3 plus 4. That is minus 2 raised to 7. Practice set 27. Simplify. 7 raised to 4 multiplied by 7 raised to 2. यहाँ पे बेस सेम है 7, इंडेक्स डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पे है 4 और यहाँ पे है 2. इंडाइसेस आर डिफरेंट. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, a रेज टू m मल्टीप्लाई बाई a रेज टू n इज इक्वल टू a रेज टू m प्लस n. ओके, now we will write here a is 7, m is 4, base is a. Okay, indices m is 4 and n is 2. So we will write this, that is 7 raised to 4 plus 2. Okay, that is 4 plus 2 6. 7 raised to 6 is the answer. Now second, minus 11 raised to 5 multiplied by minus 11 raised to 2. So here we will use law of indices, that is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here the base is minus 11. Indices are different, that is 5 and 2. Minus 11 raised to 5 plus 2. Minus 11 raised to 7. Minus 11 raised to 7 is the answer. 6 by 7 raised to 3 multiplied by 6 by 7 raised to 5. 6 by 7 raised to 3 plus 5, because according to law of indices a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. यहाँ पे बेस किया है 6.6 by 7, इंडेक्स है 3 और यहाँ पे 6 by 7 सेम बेस है, इंडेक्स है 5. ये द इंडाइसेस आर डिफरेंट, इसलिए बेस वही रहेगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसेस a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. तो 6 by 7 raised to 3 plus 5 is the final answer. और इसे ऐड करेंगे 6 by 7, 3 plus 5 that is 8. 6 by 7 raised to 8 is the final answer. Next is minus 3 by 2 raised to 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 2 raised to 3. यहाँ पे बेस किया है minus 3 by 2. इंडाइसेस आर डिफरेंट, 5 है और 3 है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसेस, दैट इज a रेज टू m मल्टीप्लाई बाई a रेज टू n इज इक्वल टू a रेज टू m प्लस n. ये लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, फर्स्ट ये रीज़न लिखेंगे, देन वी विल राइट minus 3 by 2 raised to 5 plus 3, that is minus 3 by 2 5 plus 3 8. आप पहले ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो या फिर इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन ये रीज़न देना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. हर एग्जाम्पल में कौन सा लॉ हमने यूज़ किया है वो लिखना ज़रूरी होता है. नेक्स्ट इज a रेज टू 16 multiplied by a raised to 7. So here base is a, indices are different. So we will use this law, a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to 16 plus 7. That is, answer is a raised to 23. Next is p upon 5 raised to 3 multiplied by p upon 5 raised to 7. Here the base is p upon 5. Indices are different, that is 3 and 7. So here we will use this rule, a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So p upon 5 raised to 3 plus 7, that is p upon 5 raised to 10.